happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our computer class. Dear children, today we are going to move to part 2 of your last chapter, chapter number 9. Yes, that is more on internet. Today we will learn about search engines. Yes, I hope you are very much clear with the part 1. Yes, I know my children are doing their homework very well. Okay. To look for any information on the internet, search engines are used. कोई भी information देखने के लिए search engines are used. From the outside, a search engine looks like an ordinary website. बाहर से it looks like an ordinary website. On the search engine, there is a place for the user to enter a keyboard or keywords, the main term or a group of words that you want information on. नाउ एक सर्च इंजन में एक प्लेस होती है जहाँ पे हमको कुछ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स टाइप करने होते हैं ऑन व्हाट वी वांट द इंफॉर्मेशन. उस बेसिस पे हमको इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए. यूजिंग दिस इनपुट द सर्च इंजन स्कैन्स द इंटरनेट, searches for the information and displays a list of website with related information. Now when you are entering that particular term or group of words, okay, वो सर्च इंजन्स अब इंटरनेट पे सब कुछ सर्च करना चालू कर देती है एंड देन इट डिस्प्लेस अस अ लिस्ट ऑफ वेबसाइट विथ रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन. Thus, a search engine can be defined as a program that searches through a collection of web pages for information on a specific topic or subject. Now, if you want to search on a specific topic or a subject, now a search engine gives us a collection of information and it displays us many websites. Yes. Now, what are the examples of the search engines? Google, Yahoo search. Okay, now you all are using Google, I know it very well. Okay, to search a particular topic or on a particular subject, when you are given any homework or any assignment, you search it on Google how to do it in a more better way, in a more attractive way. Yes, you do that on Google. So what is Google? Google is a search engine and the box there you type, okay, a group of words you type in the Google. Yes, then it gives you the list of website. बहुत सारी आपको websites का list देता है. Understood the practical part? Yes, dear children, the theoretical practical you will try it. Even you can try it in your mobile phone also. In the Google, that is the search engine. You will now on what topic you will search? You will search on save the water. Okay, किस पे आप search करोगे? Save the water पे आप search करोगे. Yes, and then in the word you will type a paragraph on it and then you will send me the photo shot of it. Is it clear to you? Yes, dear children, you are very much clear how to use the word as well. You will insert a small picture on save the water and then you will write a small paragraph, and from where you will search it from Google. That is a search engine. Yes. Okay, next, I hope you are very much clear with that. Next we are having email. Now this is a new thing for you. An email is an electronic message sent from one computer to another which include text, pictures and sounds. अब वो क्या है? It is an electronic message जो एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में सेंड होता है. Okay. With the internet, this whole process takes just a few seconds. With the help of the internet, we can send the email, electronic message to any person sitting at in any corner of the world. वो कहीं पे भी बैठा हो, हम उसको email send कर सकते हैं with the help of internet. This facility allows you to communicate quickly and easily with millions of people around the world, anytime and without any cost. In comparison, a letter or a courier would require both more time and money. इसी जगह पे अगर letter और courier हम use करें to communicate with the people, it requires more time as well as money. Whereas with the help of the email, we can communicate with the people in just few seconds. We just need the internet for that. Yes. Now, email services on internet. Many services provider offer email accounts free of charge. They offer us email accounts. They will charge money only if you want extra space for your mailbox. वो सिर्फ तभी चार्ज करेंगे जब हमको बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस चाहिए हमारे मेल बॉक्स के लिए, और एल्स यू कैन से द इनबॉक्स. You have to register, choose an email ID and create a password to avail the free service. Now for that, to use the email, what we have to do, we have to register, we have to choose an email ID, and then we have to create a password for that also. You can access the mailbox from anywhere provided you have an internet connection. If we are having the internet connection, we can access the email services anywhere. Yes, dear children, is it clear to you? Now, how to compose and send an email? कैसे करते हैं वो? Come on, I will show you. So, dear children, this is the Google Chrome. It is a search engine. Yes, in the Google, I have already opened an email ID for you all. Now, when you are opening your email ID, here you can see the compose button. Okay, once you are clicking on it, this box will appear. How to compose and send an email? This box will appear. Okay, once you click on this compose button, in the to you will write the email address of the person to whom you wish to want to communicate, जिससे आप बात करना चाहते हो, or else you want to share the information or send anything, text, pictures or any sounds. You will write the email address of that person in to. Then in subject, what you will write? A particular topic. आप किसके लिए उनको email भेज रहे हो? It is for an invitation, or it is for greetings, or it is for any other topic that you will write it in the subject. The subject should be very much clear, dear children, कि आप किसके लिए email उनको send कर रहे हो. Then here you will write, okay, if you want to write the text or you want to insert the picture or else whatever you want to insert, here you can insert it with the help of this attach files. Yes, if you want to attach any pictures or any sounds or anything, you can attach it with the help of this attach files, as you are seeing my cursor here. Yes, and then you will just click on the send button. Is it clear to you, dear children, how to compose and send the email? Here you will write it, okay, the email address of the person you want to communicate with. Then subject should be very much clear, for what purpose you are sending an email. Then here you will write the content, the whole content, okay, it can be the text, picture or anything. And then at last click on the send button. Yes, I hope you are very much clear with this. So, moving on to next, netiquette. Now, dear children, there are some special manners, set of manners which we have to follow when we are using the internet. Okay, the internet, just like the world we live in, has certain rules that people should follow. A special set of manners to be followed when using the internet is called netiquette. Okay. Now, ऐसे सेट ऑफ मैनर्स जो हमको फॉलो करने चाहिए, दैट इज नोन एज नेटिकेट. नेटिकेट इंक्लूड्स द फॉलोइंग. अब वो कौन से स्पेशल सेट ऑफ मैनर्स हैं जो हमको इंटरनेट यूज़ करते टाइम फॉलो करने चाहिए? दैट स्पेल चेक व्हाट यू हैव रिटन टू हेल्प अदर्स अंडरस्टैंड यू करेक्टली. यस, द स्पेलिंग शुड बी वेरी मच क्लियर. Do not use all caps in your emails or online messages because it considers a sign of shouting. Yes, जो भी हमारा टेक्स्ट है वो सब कुछ कैप्स में नहीं होना चाहिए. It is not a good idea, dear children. It is a very bad one and it is considered as a sound of shouting. That means कि हम गुस्से से कुछ किसी को बोल रहे हैं ना, that if we are including the text in all the caps, okay, so we should not do that. Be truthful in the information you provide online. However, mind the safety rules. Yes, you have to very much truthful. कुछ भी wrong information हमको share नहीं करनी है. Be yourself even when you're online. Do not say or do things that will harm others. Okay, कुछ भी ऐसी चीज़ें हमको ना ही wrong information ना ही share करनी चाहिए, ना ही देनी चाहिए when we are using the internet. Be yourself. Do not share any fake information on the internet. Is it clear to you? Next, do not forward any emails or messages that contain false information or spread rumors or panic. ऐसी कोई भी emails forward नहीं करने चाहिए जिससे कोई rumors spread हो और panic situation arise हो. Be respectful to others' people privacy. Do not share any personal information without their permission. You will not share any personal information without your parents' permission. Dear children, when you are using the internet, you will use it in the guidance of your parents only. Whatever things you are doing it, you will show to your mama papa and then you will do it. Okay? Even when you are learning this chapter, when you are practicing how to compose an email, you will sit with your mom and dad only and then you will learn it. Okay? Be careful while using reply to all button in an email. Then remember to keep your messages short and simple while expressing your opinions using any online discussions forum. We have to remember that our message should be short and very much simple. Is it clear to you? You will use the internet with your mama and papa only. When you are searching for something, you will ask your mom and dad and then you will do it. Is it clear to you, dear children? Promise? So, moving on. Next, a worksheet time. Now, the first question we are having, who am I? I am a huge network of computers around the world. That is internet. I am the first page of the website. That is home page. We have studied in the part 1. I am a collection of one or more related web pages linked together through hyperlinks. What was that? It was website. Yes, dear children. Now, I am a program used to locate and display web pages. ऐसा कौन सा प्रोग्राम था जिस पे हम web pages देख सकते थे? That was web browser. Yes. So, now the last 3 you will do it on your own. You will read the part 2. You will read the chapter. Yes. You will go through the video and then you will do it on your own and match the following. Okay. You have to identify what is the web address, what is the search engine and what is the email address. Yes, dear children. See, search engine you are knowing it very much clear. That is google.com. Now, between the email address and the web address, you will go through the chapter. Okay, you will see the examples and then you will do the match following. After completing your worksheet, you will send me the photo shot of it on the day you are completing it. Is it clear to you? We will meet next time with something more interesting. Yes, we will be moving on. We will share a practical video as well. Okay, or I will share you a worksheet as well. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all, dear children.